It's coming closer, the flames are reaching my body. Just won't you
Hi guys! So, today I will be having our experiment entitled this one, and we will be doing tension test on reinforcing steel bars or the kabilya. Four sizes. And we're now on our way to get the steel bars. Let's go! 4 samples: 9mm, 10mm, 12mm. Galvanized wire. Let's go to the mechanical engineering lab. Bye!
Hi guys, so now we are going to the ME lab for the cutting of the galvanized,
Cutting off the steel bar.
the steel bars. Balik.
We will measure the diameter of the steel bar. First steel bar.
We are going to measure the steel bars 0.5 meters and then clamp it in order for us to secure the place.
kayang-kaya mo? Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo. Hamon sa buhay, handang daanan. Kaya namin yan. Kaya namin yan.
Ipaglalaban namin
Lalaban namin
Nararapat
ang nararapat.
Tamang gagawin
Tamang gagawin, oh.
Iba na tayo ngayon Matibay ang loob Sabihin mo, sabihin nyo Kaya natin to Kabataan Pinoy Butihan mo Bukat si Cathy Ako yun Oh,
Cut.
Cutting.
Ano?
Ako yun.
Ano?
Welcome to Cat's Cutting.
So, these are the 3 steel bars.
9mm.
This is 9 millimeter in diameter. This is 10 and this is 12.
Go on our way back to our original lab. Lab? Sana ako lab. Our CA lab.
Our love.
We are now going to cut galvanized material with the same length of 0.5 meters.
Gusto nyo bang marinig ang mga kwento? Gusto nyo bang malaman?
2,000 years later.
After ano yung compressor ko tapos. Ano ha? Kananay graph. Ano? Sampai dengan itu sendiri efisien mungkin.
So that's all.